Part 2 of the video, guys. I am so psyched right now. I got the Steel Swarm Roach up for sale. I'm going 95. Wind Up Zinmaister, tin, and 2 Hidden Arsenal special editions. We'll do Hidden Arsenal first. I'm just opening this, so I don't have to do it later. But yeah. So Hidden Arsenal tins consists of Hidden Arsenal 1, Hidden Arsenal 2, and Hidden Arsenal 3, or a Naturia Pineapple, or an XX Saber Emerald Blade. I just fucked this pack shit up. And I'm psyched up. Okay, let's see here. And the card I get, Naturia Pineapples, or XX Saber Emerald Blade. But anyway, Hidden Arsenal card packs 1, 2, and 3 will obviously go in order. So 1 goes first. We'll go from front. Okay, for number 1, you got a Secret Miss Valley Thunderbird, Flameville Dragonov, Worm Dinkles, Berserk Crush, bunch of cards. Hidden Arsenal 2 is next. I never got to open anything past Hidden Arsenal 2, like Hidden Arsenal 3 or anything. Honestly, I would like to. Geogenex Secret, Naturia Spiderfang, Naturia Beetle, Alimine, and Geminenser of the Ice Barrier. So a new pack for me, Hidden Arsenal 3. And that was pretty easy to open. But it's a Jirac, not the best. Jirac Titano. And Naturia Hydrangeas, Fables, and more Jiracs. So that's special edition number 1. It's good, I guess. Special edition number 2 coming up. Naturia Pineapples. Another Emerald Blade. Damn, those are betrayed. As we said, we're going in order, so Brognac first. Commander Gotham Swordmaster. Detonate's pretty cool. But yeah, that's right there goes, and these go over here. Hidden Arsenal 2. Hell, I just this Field Marshal. I already got one of those. Worm Prince and others. I think Hidden Arsenal 2 was the worst one. By far. It was. Hidden Arsenal 3. Whoa. Okay, not the best card here. Fusion Worm 0. Secrets aren't as good as I wanted them. I kind of wanted like something better. But these are your supers here. Naturias are pretty popular nowadays, so I got so much garbage next to me, it's not even funny. Anyway, I guess here we go. The tin of Wind Up Zinmaister. Oh my god. Plot duality. Packs are a new pack for me. And the new pack for me is Hidden Arsenal 4. Lol. 2 Hidden Arsenal 4s. I'm sorry. 1 Extreme Victory and 2 Storm of Ragnaroks. But let's open the promos first. The promos. So let's see here. Promos. The Secret Wind Up Zinmaister. The new Parsith guy. The Archelord Christia. Elemental Hero Gaia. And the Pot of Duality. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So let's get opening the packs. We'll go with Extreme Victory first because I really don't know it. I don't really like it though. I really don't care. Most of the tins you get are pretty bad. Full House. Just in case you guys want to see, that's what Full House is. Put that in the pile over here. Next, Ragnarok. Get it out, get it out, get it out. Okay. Zero Force, Worm something. March towards Ragnarok. Not the best. Next Storm of Ragnarok. Another rare. Oh no. Another Stardust Shimmer. That's pretty funny. 2 Stardust Shimmers. Sorry. Trishula would be awesome right now, but these 2 hidden arsenals coming up. Okay, we already see the first one. Ancient Flameville guy. Something. The rares. Like, Dragoonities are good. Oh, man. I just really wishing for a synchro. A good synchro. But I'm not sure I'm going to get that here. Well, it could be worse. General, something of the Ice Barrier. I think this one is Gantala. Dragoonity Parsitan and Chihuahua. I don't know. So, quick recap. We'll go through the hidden arsenals pretty quick. If any of you guys want these, just message me. Okay. So anyway, those are all the supers from Hidden Arsenal. And here we go with our recap here. A lot of cards. Pretty good. General, Guntalia of the Ice Barrier, Ancient Flameville, D80, Stardust Shimmer, Worm Zero, Commander Gotham Swordsman, Jirak Titano, Geogen X, Mist Valley Thunderbird, Ally Justice Field Marshal, Potter Duality, Elemental Hero Gaia, Archlord Christia, Neo Parsat the Sky, Wind Up Zinmaster, Steel Swarm Roach, Smashing Horn, 2 Light and Darkness Dragons, 1 Symphonic Guy, Stardust Shimmer, and 2 Emmer Blades. All of this stuff is up for trade, except Steel Swarm Roach. He is for sale only. But PM me with any offers on Steel Swarm. My starting offer is 90. So message me. It's in perfect condition. It will be in perfect condition. So that's it for this time, YouTube. I guess I'll see you guys whenever I get more cards. Peace.